Hey guys, it's I Hate Two Fakes here, and today I'm showing you off my awesome server. It's an RPG, so like it's got a massive storyline, so you can play it like campaign, like Skyrim. It's really fun. It's got so much secrets, and I'm basically just gonna show you that off. You can also play factions on the server, so yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, quest 1. To start this quest, find the gold. Okay, now a lot of people don't actually know this, but there's like a black market, hidden market. Just if you go on these vines, yep, and then you go into here. That's something completely different. So yeah, you can buy like ores here. Diamond you can't actually buy at the moment. That's probably going to change tomorrow or something. So yeah, it'll have there, and I'm basically going to read out what it says. Okay, Assassin's Quest, the story. You have been sent here from the UK to be an assassin. You have 2 more assassins with you. They are hidden in the map. Every time you find one, you've completed a level. Sounds easy? There will be monsters, puzzles, and even more stuff in the way. Watch out though, every assassin has the same mission. You can collect some mates and do this as a team, or be a lone wolf. Once completed, you will get an in-game rank. Good luck. One of the assassins, Jay, has been spotted near the docks. Rumour has it that he's been taken by the Avarice. The Avarice are like the police of this town, and will kill you on sight. Avarice are enemy mobs. There are also side quests that you will be rewarded for doing. Every side quest you do will get info about the Assassin's Quest storyline. And once you've completed the massive quest, contact me and you'll get this rank. The quest isn't actually finished yet, because it's gonna be about we're planning about 10 hours playing time to complete it, maybe a little bit more. We're trying to see if people want to do like let's play of them doing this. That will probably be quite exciting. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, see you later, bye.